If you're trying to launch Subnautica 2 and getting the error message DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, try running without DX12 or D3D12-inch, don't worry. This error usually appears when your graphics card, Windows version, graphics drivers, or launch options are preventing the game from using DirectX properly. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that can help fix the issue and get Subnautica 2 running again. Solution 1. Remove DX12 or D3D12 launch options. If you've manually added DirectX launch commands, they may be causing the problem. Open Steam, right-click Subnautica 2, select Properties, and check the Launch Options box. Remove any entry such as DX12 or D3D12, then close the window and launch the game again. Solution 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of DirectX errors. Visit the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. After installing the update, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Solution 3. Update Windows. Subnautica may require the latest DirectX components available through Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install all available updates. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC and launch the game. Solution 4. Check DirectX 12 support. Press Windows +R, type DexDiag, and press Enter. In the DirectX diagnostic tool, check your graphics card information and DirectX version. If your GPU does not support DirectX 12 feature levels required by the game, you may need to upgrade your hardware. Solution 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can sometimes trigger DirectX-related errors. Open Steam, right-click Subnautica 2, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair any missing or damaged files before launching the game. That's it. These are the most effective solutions for fixing the DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error in Subnautica 2. If one of these methods worked for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Subnautica 2 fixes, tutorials, and PC gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.